Atalugo biko. I do see come and Atalugo Atalugo come and yes your name. Get them Atalugo. Atalugo. Ozo man ken kajita kama wonku mayan jima kego. Owola Atalugo kpo mu iru na nlo. I must get him arrested. Oga man onwe ya na kpo DSS mbara enigwe. Nwa ka Atalugo ja bari am. Where is my evangelist? Na kwado DSS mbara enigwe aga. If we get inside there, you arrest that young man.
I never get to jail.
Muka Atalugo tirife na nlo. Atalugo tim dead say this my suit na law men jichili anaka.
Atalugo tirife na nlo.
Oh my gola na da nyabon lo sef.
Mola na nlo.
Officer, if we get in there, get him arrested.
Well, I wait to do my job. You people are able to delay on me.
Arrest everybody, Atalugo, officer.
I let me do my job.
Where is that vagabond?
Oh, yeah.
You people are delaying me. I need to do my job.
Where is he? Atalugo. Atalugo bifa.
Atalugo.
Come out, brother.
Hey! Onya mmadi ke wane ewu. Nke iduzu ndu uwe jodu ka ministry na aga.
Will you shut up your mouth? Atalugo, hello onya mmadi ke mane ewu de kam. Ke no sala ogu na nlo. Where they tell my suit na enye major station. I will use it against you, major as evidence.
Yes.
I can't put can ekwi we my evangelist ola.
What's the name of Mola na nlo?
Onya mmadi ka Officer Dagogo, arrest him.
You are under arrest. Atalugo. For Mr. Manager and District.
Onya mmadi ke mane ewu.
I know where we. You are under arrest.
Yes.
Officer tell you, inola okonola ni Igbo. Officer, I did not touch onya mmadi ke mane ewu. I did not touch him na no only.
Will you shut up your mouth?
How about another day violence someone?
I just never violence.
I'm mad at the violence.
I did not touch him na only melonya.
No sali agunanlo.
Arrest this man.
My health.
Why do Mama Mola na nlo? Why do Mama Mola na nlo?
Queen anu maka DSS mbara enigwe.
Yes, sir.
Data ke na FIFA of DSS mbara enigwe. So as one person can send it, I can send the battalion on Moses Hamba. Just send one person. One person call the Caleb.
Dagogo.
Arrest him.
My health.
I'm your health. Why do Mama Mola na nlo?
I'm too emotional.
I don't know. Come on, let's move there. Move it.
Officer, omonya buna bia for you release. Oche no nya.
Yes, onya buna bia lo ku Atalugo.
Oche no nya.
Atalugo ya na about until first week of December.
Understand the note of warning to everybody.
Everybody.
Onya buna jonya madike ma na ewe bariamu. Physically or spiritually attack.
Arrest the person.
If they are spiritually, I will attack you.
If they are physically, I will attack you.
Uno na yala. Obuna homa boss so that can make buko on the street anine.
Rafia.
My street chairman man the security anine. I hold Atalugo. Imo ho me na nlo. Bia no ka na mo wo la baba. That tell me suta. Iwe to lo ma gina nlo. Obu no ika ine no eba ike.
Atalugo mo.
Iwe to lo ma.
Officer.
Arrest him.
Arrest him. Move it.
Shot by the Gardner Victuals.